Welcome to DJM TV.
My correct people, we greet una, welcome now once again to DJM TV. My people, Hey, my people, we see they talk about Mohbad though. Now, hey, another guy don't cry come out like this, so he's saying go on a blind date so with one babe wey they call Ada. Say na Arab TV na him be the sponsor of the blind date too. So as they come reach the blind date like this, he come see the babe. So this Ada of a babe, so he come see am. So he no like the girl for inside him mind. He no like the girl. He no wan even dey with that kind of girl as for relationship. But he no rest o. He come still carry the girl go house. They come still do fake. They come still run some kind shows. Just to do clean mouth o. Make for rest. He say ever since then now he dey see the girl for a dream o. Don be small see the girl dey chase her. He don cry come out like this now. They say if anything happen to her make dem hold Arab TV and Ada o. Say their number no dey go o. The girl no dey disturb am for dream, dey disturb me for dream o. My people, I go play una the video na una watch make una see, make una hear wetin this guy dey talk o, wetin he dey see for dream, everything o. Make una watch and make una no forget to like and share o. So those wey be say they don get sense of this blind date of 18, make dem wisen up now. Say a lot dey happen right now. Watch and share.
So guys, if anything happen to me, you people should contact MC Arab TV and Ada. MC Arab TV and Ada, because I've been tormented. They have been tormenting my life in the dream. I said let me do this video because my life is in danger. Earlier this month, because Arab contacted me and told me, guys, sure you are single, come for my blind date. You fit see babe. I said okay, I will come. I will visit you nowhere. And I came. I went for that blind date. Arab brought this girl. I don't know this girl from anywhere. She doesn't know me. And that day, after the whole thing, because the girl says she doesn't like me, I was like, okay, fine. The girl later saw my car, said that she likes my car, that she now likes me. So I told the Arab, okay, I can go with the girl. So we left. But after that day, after we left, after we had what we had, I've never contacted the girl. She has never contacted me. Few days ago, Arab came to my house without informing me, without telling me that she was coming to my house. Arab did not call me. Arab came and he even lied. Initially, he lied. He told me that he wanted to show me a car that he bought. He took me, we went outside. To my greatest surprise, I saw this girl. I filmed up. I said, Arab, why will you come to my house with this girl without calling me, without letting me know? Yo, how will you do this? Arab told me that I should not worry, that the girl has something to say. The girl started begging me. I said, why are you begging me? You didn't like me. You said you liked my Benz. We went out, we hung out, we had what we had. Do you understand? Why are you begging me? And they left. I told Arab, no, they should go. They left. Now, something happened that day. After that day, that night when I was sleeping, I had a dream. I saw this girl in my dream. I woke up that same night. When I started sleeping again, that same night, 2 times in a night, I saw her in my dream again for the second time. Now, this happened for 3 days. It happened for 3 days. Every night if I'm sleeping, I will see this girl in my dream. And I've been calling Arab. Arab is the girl, is the person that connected me and this girl. Arab, his number has not been going through and this girl blocked me. Why are they doing this to me? Arab is not taking, Arab number is not going. The girl's number is switched off. What is going on? My life is in danger. The girl is hitting me in my dream. Every night I see her in my dream. I'm looking for Arab. You people should share this video. Arab should see this video. Arab should come and know what is. Because if anything happens to me, you people should hold Arab responsible. Let me play the first video how we met so that you people will see it. Arab, I'm doing this video for you. Arab to see it. Arab, come and take me to Ada. I don't know what you and Ada came to my house to do to me. Since you people left, I've been seeing her in my dream. Arab, I want to see you. You people should share this video. Let Arab see it. My life is in danger. They are tormenting me in my dream. I see this girl in my dream every night. She blocked me. I've not been reaching her. Arab's number is not going through. Arab should come and take me to Ada.
DJ